I lived in Burj Khalifa and it took me 5 minutes and 2 elevators just to leave my apartment. I lived in Burj Khalifa and every third car in the parking was a Rolls Royce. I lived in Burj Khalifa and I could just go downstairs and be already in the biggest mall in the world. I lived in Burj Khalifa and I didn't get Burj Khalifa view. It's my dream. I lived in Burj Khalifa and every time passing by security I felt so exclusive and private. I lived in Burj Khalifa and you literally can't go anywhere inside without your own access card. And funny fact that card works only for your floor in elevator. I lived in Burj Khalifa and besides pool and gym, we had our own tennis courts. I lived in Burj Khalifa and there is no balconies in our apartment. That's it. If you want to know more about life in Dubai, stay with me and ask your question below. See you next time.